Alrighty, well, it's been a while since I've done an AVARigs, so hopefully I know the ropes still. But without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. So we're gonna start off with the case. This is going to be a Phanteks Eclipse series. This is the P600S. This is going to be a tempered glass panel. In the back, we got a solid panel. Now, typically I save things like this for towards the end of the video. But I will definitely tell you one thing I do not like about this case is this right here. So this is like a fabric more so than like traditional mesh panels. I mean, it's not even like styrofoam, not styrofoam, but oh, like noise dampening material. I can't think of the name of it, but if you know, put your head to it, you know what I'm talking about. I don't like this, not for, I mean, you definitely can feel the air flowing through here really well. My problem is because it is a white case, they're gonna get dirtier quicker. And it's white up here too. It's very much gonna shine when the dust starts to, you know, slowly build up. And I would not want to take water to something like this. It is gonna be okay, but I just feel like mesh panels are a lot easier to clean. But I just wanted to throw that out there. Now, there are some cool features about this case, and I really do like Phanteks. I put them up there with Fractal, and everyone knows that I love Fractal. So if we look up here, you got your I/O panel right there, which is really nice. I can't look and see what kind of ports are up there because I'll get choked out by this microphone. But I'm sure it's your standard. You got a USB-C, I'm sure. Do I? Okay, yes, we do. Had to double check. What else we got? USB 3.0? Yes. Two of them, is that it? Oh, nice. And you got a microphone, and is that a headphone port, I would assume? All right, which, yeah. So moving on. Before I sound more like, moving on to the motherboard, we're gonna have an ASUS TUF Gaming X670E Plus Wi-Fi board. This is an AMD chipset, and this is the older AMD generation, because in the socket, we're gonna have an AMD Ryzen 9 7950X. Still tried and true. I mean, you don't have to go out and get, you know, the whatever the heck they are, 9900Xs or, you know, 9800, I don't know. I don't pay attention. I'm not an AMD guy. So, you know, but, you know, they're good CPUs. I'm just an Intel fanboy. Moving on to memory, we're gonna have a 128 gig kit of Kingston. This is the Fury Beast. This is DDR5. This is going to be RGB LED too. Moving on to the GPU, oh man, we got a big boy here. This is gonna be the ROG Strix RTX 4090. I really don't need to say anything about it because, you know, the amount of information about 4090s out there, it's incredibly saturated. So if you don't know about it, well, you know, just type in 4090 in Google and I guarantee you're gonna get 9 million articles. Moving on to the power supply. We have an EVGA 1000 GT. This is a 1000 watt power supply. This is fully modular, gold, you know. Woo. We have some lighting strips as well. They are the CORSAIR nodes, the Lighting Node Pros. Let's see here. As for the cooler, we have an Emtec 360 millimeter radiator all-in-one cooler. And for the fans, we're gonna have Thermalright. Are these the RGBs? Yes, these are the RGBs. Thermalright, I've said this in the past, I believe. You know, they are making a splash for the cost of performance. I mean, it is just absolutely unmatched, especially with a cooler like Emtec coolers. As some of you might know, I do handle returns and things of that nature when things are defective, and knock on wood, I don't know what the heck this is up here, it might not be wood, but I have not seen many of them come back. I might have seen one or two to the, I mean, hundreds we have sold. So they are really, really good coolers. I can definitely vouch for them. And you know, pairing something like these Thermalright fans, I mean, it's like peanut butter and jelly, I guess. But they do work really, really well, which is why almost every one of these coolers, unless it is changed, are going to be paired with Thermalright fans. Moving on to storage, we are going to have an Emtec 1TB X400 Power Pro. This is an M.2 SSD. And then for additional space, we're going to have a 3TB BarraCuda HDD. Now, this is the fun part. This is an Instabuilder, so I can definitely tell you this is the gaming side of things. I can't believe a 4090 made its way into the Instabuilder. I'm not sure how that's set up, but wow. I mean, yeah, you can do just about anything. Gaming, you can do application use with this for sure. You know, there's just the possibilities are endless with a system like this, but this is a beefy system. It's crazy, it's 128 gigs too. Wow. Yeah, all them Chrome tabs, woo! But you know, I could go on and on, but I mean, this system really does speak for itself. I really do like the white aesthetic of the cases. Everyone knows that I love whiteout builds, so you know, I would appreciate, you know, more white components. Like, I don't even know if you can find them anymore, but they had the 4090 white editions, the snow editions, whatever they call them. But hey, it's still a beautiful build. The guys did a really good job on this. But yeah, this up here, no, I don't like it. But I would honestly say that's the only thing I do not like about this build. Everything else, the components I like. I do prefer MSI boards over ASUS and MSI GPUs, but you know, not a deal breaker. But yeah, and I do want to note that these do come with some pre-installed fans. So you're gonna have 3 back there, and I am not sure if the one in the back came with it or if it was one that we installed ourselves. By the color, I'm gonna assume that this is one we installed ourselves to, you know, flow the air a lot better. And one quick thing I do wanna note before we go into the outro, all Instabuilder systems come with a free EVGA mouse and an EVGA keyboard. Both are great products. I'm not a big fan of the mouse just because it does have a little extra buttons on it, but hey, you know, some people might enjoy that, some people might prefer that. The keyboard though is a great mechanical keyboard, and I mean, if it comes with the system, you know, why not? I mean, it's free, and you know, I think it's good value. But let's jump into the outro now, shall we? All right, everybody, that's gonna go ahead and do it for this week's AVARigs. As always, if this is a PC that interests you, you have several ways of going about it. If you do the Instabuilder route, you might not get the exact same PC, but you will get something that is similar to it. However, if you do want an exact replica of this PC, you can always go to our configurator and go ahead and pick all the parts that are in this, and boom, cloned. But if you're somebody that does want some help along the way, we have you covered. You can go ahead and reach out to our awesome sales team, and they will help you out every step of the way. Now, if you just want to get something quick and don't want to wait, we have you covered there too. We have pre-built systems. We have 3 tiers. We're going to have the basic, the premier, and the top tier. I think the top tier is a different name, but it is the top tier of the 3. But with that all being said, be sure to give us a like, comment down below what you like about this PC, or what you don't like about this PC, and you know, let's have a conversation about it. And be sure to go follow us on X or Twitter. It'll always be Twitter to me, or like our page on Facebook, or you could do both, and have a discussion there. Shoot us a comment. We're always open for the discussions, and plus you will get all the latest information on what is going on with AVA Direct in terms of promotions. We have some fun memes that go up all the time, but most importantly, you will be notified of everything that is going on in terms of the company. And if you want to take it a step further, go ahead and join our Discord server, which is run by ya boy. Stop in, say hi. I do have giveaways going on. The one I have going on right now might not be up when this video goes live. However, rest assured, I am always working to put up game codes, give away t-shirts, and who knows, maybe something bigger down the line. I work with Alexa and Brooke all the time on what we can do for our community. But enough rambling. Thank you for tuning in to this week's AVARigs. My name is Wesley, and I'll catch you next time.
If you like the PC in the video, be sure to contact our sales team by emailing sales@aviadirect.com or head to the website by clicking the link within the description below. You can choose from many pre-built options, gaming or workstation based, or use the configurator to build the PC of your dreams. Don't forget to click that subscribe button so you can be notified of future content, and give the video a like in support of our channel. You can follow the variety of our social media channels by visiting aviadirect.com/community, and you can also join our Discord if you wish to engage in discussions related to custom-built PCs.